Welcome back, everybody. This is Darren with B&H Railroad, and as you can see, we have a little experiment going on today. Not really, but I just wanted to kind of share with you how I make my sculptamold. Now, usually in the past, I have used drywall mud for most of all of my projects, whether it be rock molds, creek beds, whatever it may be, and I've had great success. Now, I have learned if you lay the drywall mud in a couple layers, give it adequate time to dry, you don't have any cracking or anything, but if you try to put it on thick and let it set up, it will crack. So I wanted to try something different, and my local hobby shops and all didn't have any of the actual sculptamold, so I knew I could make it myself. Now, there's a few different ways you can make this. Plaster of Paris, of course, and then you can mix it in with shredded toilet paper. You can also use shredded newspaper, real fine, almost like if you were to shred it. And you can also use paper towels. Now, I've already got some mixed up because I don't really need a lot. So we'll just finish kind of ripping this open to kind of show you guys how I do it. And I'm just making this pieces smaller. Now, just for this video's sake, like I said, I'm not going to mix a lot up, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys how I do it and how it worked out. Now, I've actually done my creek bed, and I do have a video coming for that. So I'm going to kind of keep you guys in suspense to let you see how the creek bed turned out with this method. So, now you can make this as thick or as thin as you want. I like to work it with it pretty thick. I can do exactly what I need to. All right. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. And for this purpose, I'm going to make it a little thicker. And the setup time on this is about 20 minutes. And as you can see, it won't take a lot of water. Get almost, I'm trying to think, almost like an oatmeal consistency is what I like. And it's going to vary for what you're doing and what you want. Okay, so I don't know how well you guys can see that. You should be able to see that pretty good. Okay, we're going to do a couple quick up-close photos here, and then I'll do one zoomed out photo of the entire riverbed. And as you can see, everything kind of turned out nicely. This material this way was very easy to work. It allowed me to kind of control every aspect of it, whether I was carving in the banks, the depth of the riverbed, and especially around the islands. If you see that long skinny island there, you'll notice the little browner spots in front of it. And I did that on purpose because I wanted that to kind of be more shallower than the rest of the riverbed. But I tell you what, doing this method for me, out of the several methods that I've used, seems to be the easiest. Now, this did take a little bit longer to set up than 20 minutes, but within 2 hours, it was ready to go. And I tell you what, guys and gals, I'm very happy with it. Thank you guys and gals so much for watching. Have a great weekend, and we'll chat soon.